Hey everyone, Ramel here, and today I'm going to be showing you the finishing touches that I've done on this 3900X build. This is probably the last build video I'm going to have for this, other than benchmarks in the future, as well as testing out different BIOSes and updates. But this is probably the last time I'll be opening the computer and doing things to it. Maybe I'll get RAM in the future, faster RAM, but for now, I think this is it. For the past couple months, I've been using it. Everything's been great. I've been able to Twitch on stream no problem, play all the games that I do play normally, 1440p, mostly 144 FPS, but for some of them I do have to dip the settings down, but there is also FreeSync on this monitor, which works really well with the 2070 Super. But besides that, I haven't had any problems whatsoever, so I'm really happy. I know there's an update coming out soon because of the boost clocks and how they were handling it, so I'll try that and maybe do a video soon. But for now, I'll be doing more product reviews. Previous videos, you might have noticed that the computer has a little bit of light. I decided to get the AirGoo RGB LED strip just to give it a little bit of illumination inside the case. Without it, it seemed a little too dark and you couldn't really see any of the components. But I do only have it as white to go with the theme of the build, which is just black and white. And I haven't tried Aura Sync yet or anything. I just used it to turn on, to set the RGB to white, and then that's it. Previously, I had the NZXT U-Strip, the first generation, and that one was pretty hard to, not hard, but it was kind of messy to install because of the adhesive, and it would lose its grip and you would see it dangling. But for this Airstrip, it's magnetic, so it just sticks to the case, and the length I got was just perfect to go on the top and on the right side of the case. And yeah, it looks really good white, but I will try to test it out with other colors, but for now I'm gonna keep it white. The second thing that I got, and it's probably the most useless purchase that I did for this build, I could have put the $40 towards better RAM off the start, but besides that, there wasn't really much else I could upgrade. Maybe not a base 2070 Super. I could have gotten something a little bit more, but I decided to get these cable extensions. They were white, and yeah, I kind of regret getting them. It does look really nice in there. The black stock ones that came with the power supply wasn't bothering me too much, but I kind of just wanted to go with the black and white theme altogether. I mean, technically it was black previously, but I just wanted to see how it would look with white cables, and it looks not bad. The cable quality is really good. It seems to be the same ones as the Cable Mod Pros, so they're a little bit stiffer and easier to train. But yeah, I think overall this probably could have been a purchase I didn't have to do for this build, but it does look nice. I didn't replace the 4-pin because I didn't want to buy the 4-pin, so I only did the 8-pin. I was gonna take out the 4-pin since I don't need it for the motherboard, but I decided to just keep it in there and tuck it under the white cable. You can't really notice it, but besides that, everything, I think everything was pretty easy to install. The back of my case needs a little bit of love to do a little bit of cable management, but I might do that later. But for now, I just wanted to see if everything was up and running again, no problems with the cables, and everything boots. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Those are my finishing touches for this build. So you probably won't see any more build related videos. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. That's gonna be it for me this week. If you guys haven't checked out my Twitch stream, I've been doing a lot more Counter-Strike. You can see me on twitch.tv/forbiddenx. I do only stream at night and when I have time, but I try to get a couple games here and there, and I've been able to do that for the past few nights. But yeah, I'm trying to get my way back to Global Elite, but I'll probably get to, not back, but I was Supreme, but I'll try to get back to Badge and maybe call it quits there. But for now, I'm fully back into Counter-Strike, loving it again. It's a love-hate relationship for me in Counter-Strike, I think. It's not really the most relaxing and enjoyable game, but it's a game I do like playing. Most of the time I get more stressed playing this game, but it is what it is. But yeah, my Twitch is twitch.tv/forbiddenx, and that's gonna be it for me this video. I do have the Model O minus coming in this week, so I'll be doing a review and comparison with the G703. I haven't gone back to a wired mouse for a while, but I do want to see what it's like to get a lighter mouse, but also wired. Anyways, I'm out. Peace.